I think the Great Waters course visually is spectacular. I think strategic, it's spectacular. I think it's the trees, the views, the beauty is spectacular. Spectacular is a pretty good word for the golf course. Waters here wanted to redo the golf course to get it to modern level. You know, the last 8 holes are on the water on the golf course, and that's a pretty special. It's a special piece of property, and the people here at Lake Oconee gave me the opportunity to do the golf course and gave me the water to do it. Not many places would do that. And the golf course is, I don't know, 25 years old. Irrigation systems get old. Grass needs to be refreshed. Drainage needs to be refreshed, and then when you're doing that, you may as well go ahead and bunkers are going to get redone because they need new sand, new drainage. It lives its course, and then it's got to be updated. So we were called in to do that, and I don't want somebody doing my golf course. So today we cleaned up some of the areas that I thought maybe could have been done when we first did it, but we didn't. It looked quite nice. Generally speaking, I'll do one long par 3, a short par 3, and a couple of middle-length par 3s, same as I do with 5s. And in the case of number 8, it was our long par 3. And I made it a little bit too nondescript. And so I wanted to create a little bit more of an exciting hole. And what we did is I tried to create a hole that you can get into the front of it. Also, I put a bunker in about 20 yards short on the right side, but I took a slope away from that bunker to the green. So if you hit a shot, hit over that bunker, you'd feed the ball into the green. So if somebody wasn't good enough to run the ball in and run it by that bunker, they could play it over that bunker and get some help to get the ball in the green. Then the green went away from the end of the back left, and I protected the left side of it with a bunker. And if you hit it too hard through, I got a bunker behind it. So I give them a place to play, but I direct them how to get there and created more variety within the hole. And with as far as the golf ball goes today, you have to create more variety, otherwise it becomes boring. Well, number nine, if you stood on the tee, you couldn't really see the water. You could only see maybe the top of the bulkhead at the green. But now, I said, I want to get more visual. Because you hit it out there and you hit the ball, ran over a hill, and you didn't really know where the ball was going to go. Maybe if you played here, you did. But it should be defined better. And so we bit the bullet, and we actually took, I don't know how much we took out of there. We probably took 20 feet of dirt out of that fairway to drop it down. That's a lot of dirt. And we had a big hole over to the left side of that hole, so we filled that hole up. So we didn't have to move the dirt any great distances. And now when you stand on the tee, you're going to say, okay, do I want to hit a driver, or do I want to maybe play a 3-wood and not take a chance of reaching the water? Do I want to try to get an easier shot into the green? Do I want to challenge the first bunker? Do I want to get down to where I can almost get a pitch to the green? Do I want to challenge the second bunker? So I've got the opportunity to play out in the fairway, challenge the first bunker, challenge the second bunker. Be careful, mindful that the water's in front of you. And each time that you challenge something and you're successful, you'll be rewarded with an easier second shot into the green. And so that's really what we try to do at night. I think we're successful with it. I'm excited anytime we bring a course up to snuff. If you got a golf course that was really a good golf course at one time, and all of a sudden you look back on it and say it's 25 years old, what do we need to do to make that golf course really strong again and really have people say, man, that's really good. I think we're doing that. And I enjoy that. I think it's fun. Nice golf course, guys.
Thank you. Well, you gave us
nice job.
Pretty good bones to start with.
Yeah, you had a pretty good golf course to start with. But I think you got a better one. Anytime you come back and get a second bite of an apple, it always gets, generally speaking, it's sweeter. I think. think? I don't know about apples, but I'm guessing. I think it's great. Happy.